I wanted to develop an AI feature for learning purposes, but obviously I didn't want to pay for an API key. So I did some researches and I found 4 different ways of doing that for free, with also the possibility of switching between models so you can test and validate which model is better for your specific use case. Let's begin with the most obvious solution, that is Ollama. With this tool, you can basically run any of these models locally on your machine, and since they're running on your machine, they're obviously free, and you can pick from any of those, but beware as some of the bigger models obviously takes quite some space, like this requires 65 gigabytes, and you're also gonna need a decent machine to run those, but that's not the topic of today's video. In general, right after downloading Ollama, you can spin up a terminal, and here, for example, I can type Ollama list, and this is the list of models I downloaded. With Ollama pool, you can just grab any of those models. And with that ready, you're good to go. Just make sure that your application points to this endpoint, that is localhost, and this is the port. And here you can just pick any of the models you currently downloaded. For example, Llama 3.2 latest. The good thing is that Ollama is also compliant with the OpenAI client. So this is in general a simple way how to structure your application. Here I take the token, that with Ollama is just the string Ollama, then the endpoint and the model. Here I create my server function. This is stack start, but it doesn't really matter. And after validating my user and using a rate limiter, here that's where the magic happens. I pass the endpoint and the token to the OpenAI client. I write my system prompt, and with that I can get my response. And since all of this is happening inside my machine, this runs completely for free. But at some point I said I want this to also run on a hosted website, so Ollama might not be my final answer, even though this is always just for learning purposes. So I had to find a hosted solution in the cloud that also was for free. And that's one of the main reasons I added here some logic to do some rate limiting. If I go on the browser, this is my actual hosted website. And the first thing I did was make sure that only signing user could use the feature so that I could really easily do some rate limiting. And now that I'm a logged in user, I can, for example, say React conferences in Italy next month. And here the idea was to just use AI to set the filters. So this is the text I set, and the model under the hood selected Italy here, October 1st as its next month. And also it added the React tag. So how does this work in the cloud and for free? To do that, I tried 3 different ways, and the first one is obviously through GitHub. To do that, you can access here the menu and you're gonna find Marketplace. From the Marketplace, you can go on Models and on the catalog. Here you can find a list of available models you can actually use for free. You can try those in the playground. There's basically a chat where you can select your model and test with your models, for example 4.1 mini. And also you can use this model in your application and you don't need any other account. For example, here I select OpenAI SDK and JavaScript, and you can find the instruction, but it is really as easy as creating a personal access token from GitHub for free, and obviously you have some rate limitation, and just use your token, and that's the simple code snippet. That's basically what we just saw in my example, using the OpenAI client and generating the response. You can also go to production level, obviously if you pay for usage, but if you just want to experiment as I was just doing, here there's also a table with all the rate limiting, and if you're just testing out, that's fine. The cool thing is that the only difference in your application where you just tested with Ollama locally is to just replace the amp and use the different endpoints. So here the endpoint is now models.github.ai, and I can change the LLM model to any of the supported ones here on GitHub Models. And as you can see here, this is actually a spoiler of the other 2 methods I tried that are through OpenRouter and Groq. I didn't play a lot with those 2 other options, but I can already tell you a few words of my initial researches. Let's begin with OpenRouter. Similarly to GitHub Models, this service also has some models you can use, but first of all, just make sure to sign up, and from here you can create an API key. Now here, just to make sure I immediately set a limit, but this probably wasn't even required, as if you go on the models and you can filter by column free, you're gonna find a list of free models you can actually use without paying. As usual, they're gonna have some rate limits, but as I mentioned, if you're just learning and experimenting, this is gonna be perfectly fine. And once you found a model that works fine for you, you can go to a paid plan. The same works for the other one I was mentioning, that is Groq. That, by the way, Groq with the Q is not Groq from XAI and Elon Musk. It's two completely different things. And this service has slightly less models than OpenRouter as far as I can tell, but I read that this should have better performances. When it's time to go to production, you should also probably care about performances and about pricing, as these services letting you route in between models might have some extra delays, might charge you slightly more, so do your own researches carefully. This was pretty much the output of a quick research I did last week. Do you know other ways of testing and playing out with LLMs for free? For example, if you go on single vendors like Google for Gemini, I see they offer some free tiers with their API keys, and that could also be a valuable option if you, for example, just say, I want to go with Google models, so let's just grab an API key for that. For now, I'm happy with Ollama to run locally and GitHub Models to try on the cloud, but if you also know any other methods, just feel free to drop a message down below for me and for everyone else watching the video and reading the comments. Thanks for watching this video, have fun in using LLMs responsibly, and see you in the next video. Bye!